Go on, my people. It is Tuesday morning. I hope you guys are having a lovely morning. I hope you guys had a lovely start to your week. The week continues, guys. The week continues with MX Breaks, Lifestyle and Entertainment, where we share what's going on in Ghana and around the world. Now, Stonebwoy's bodyguards arrested on assault charges. Hey! Bridgerton is trending across social media, and the BBC releases list of top 10 African artists to follow in 2021. My name is Kevoy Burton. Let's get right into it. Now, if you don't know about Bridgerton, you are living under a rock like me. The new Netflix series set in Regency, England, has taken the internet by storm with its December 25th release. The series brings viewers into the lives of Bridgerton children as they grow and find their place in society. In a unique twist, the show places white and non-white characters in places of power, very different from the book series and the represented time period. What has really gotten Ghanaians talking is the presence of Ghanaian British actress Adjoa Ando, who portrays Lady Danbury, a widowed duchess with money, power, and influence. Things that are very rare for women, especially in that time. Big up yourself, Adjoa. Now, Putu singer Stonebwoy and his team were involved in a car crash on their way back to Accra from the Ashanti region. A civilian driver attempted to overtake another car, but instead ended up crashing into the Stonebwoy convoy. That rhyme. As though that wasn't bad enough, two of Stonebwoy's bodyguards then got down and proceeded to beat the civilian. But see, the situation has since resulted in both bodyguards being arrested for assaulting the driver and are currently in police custody in the Ashanti region. But see, I don't understand. No, you can't do that, my brother. No. That's not right. That's not right. Now, anyways, BBC has released a list of their top 10 African artists viewers should look out for in 2021. The list is said to showcase their top picks of various African musicians across the continent. The only Ghanaian listed was Kiddy, who sung Say Cheese, take a picture, take a boat, take a... I like that song. Gained international prominence, especially after American record producer Teddy Riley collaborated with him on the remix. Nigerian artists Thames and Omale were also on that list. Hey, that's the guy I was arrested in the play. Aha! It's wonderful to see more than just Afrobeats music being included. Artists such as, guys, please, do not slaughter me for this. Fik Famika from Uganda, Gaz Mawete from DRC, and Shasha from Zimbabwe, and many, many more. It seems more than drama is on its way. Whew. Guys, I'm tired from dancing. Meghan Markle's half-sister, Samantha Markle, is launching a tell-all book titled The Diary of Princess Pushy's Sister. Wow. Samantha is known to have very few good things to say about her half-sister, having previously called her a shallow social climber. The book is set to be available January 8th, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens next. Hey, Samantha, oh, you're so bad, man. Stop it, man. Stop it. Stop it, Samantha. Hey, let's big up your sister and stop the foolishness. Anyway, guys, that's all we have for you today. But don't worry, we have it for you every day of the week. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Kevoy. Big up yourself. Little more.